Hello everyone, this is AGTechTube. Today I am going to show you a quick tutorial about changing the text format, specifically the color of the text in Gmail mails. Okay, go to the Gmail, compose a new message. When composing the text, you have a menu here. Click this A button with underline. This is formatting options. Now press again the A icon and you can select any text color you want here. Let's say red color. As you can see, the text color is now red. You can actually change the boldness of the text as well, or you can make it italic. Okay guys, it's a pretty simple, straightforward process. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.